So we've looked at it in the other video, what money can do, and money only said he could do the exchange of goods and services. Now let's look at it critically, what money cannot do. So what can money not do? So let's look at the first one on our list, and that is, can money buy happiness? So can money buy happiness? Yes or no? No, money cannot buy happiness. And why do I say that? And why do I stand with this opinion? Here's why. What makes people happy is not a paper in the bank. What makes people happy is actually fulfillment. That's it. Money only said he could be used for the exchange of goods and services. So trying to use money to make you happy won't work. At the end of the day, money is for the exchange of goods and services. And being able to acquire goods, find goods, cars, houses and all that, services, massage and all this stuff, great services, aeroplane, going to private jets and all that, actually gives you more options. They in that self will never ever make you happy. It could actually just give you more options in life. And what makes you happy is, at the end of the day, fulfillment. And what does the fulfillment stuff all talk about? Fulfillment is simply doing what you're meant to be doing. Let me explain to you what I mean by that. Here's a very typical example. Could you imagine if Michael Jackson went to be a swimmer? He would not be happy at the end of the day. Michael Jackson, if he wanted to become a swimmer, if he was forced to go be a swimmer, he would not actually feel that joy of being fulfilled. Or could you imagine if Justin Bieber was a boxer? You see, this is actually like me putting rice and sand together, because he's not meant for that. He's meant to be on that stage singing those songs. Could you imagine if Lionel Messi wanted to do what Michael Jackson was doing instead of playing football? You see, it's almost as if the guy is designed for that ball. So that's how this fulfillment stuff works. It's actually finding what you're supposed to do, finding what gives you the joy of fulfillment of your dreams and going to do it. If you wanted to be a photographer and you ended up being a doctor and you still have the passion for photography, man, you're going to kill yourself because you're not going to be happy. So at the end of the day, money cannot buy happiness. Money can only give you more options, and what really buys happiness is actually fulfillment. So my friend, whatever you want to do that you think and you believe you were born to do, just go do it, because at the end of the day, that's what will make you happy. So hasta la vista.